Hey everyone. So Mike and I wanted to quick hop in Zoom together. We both just received what appears to be very special delivery from our publisher, Wiley. We think we know what's inside, but we want to discover that with you. So Mike, if you're ready, let's go ahead
Yep,
and
let's do it.
open the boxes.
First unboxing ever.
Me too. It is.
Wow, look at this thing.
The Beekeeper has arrived. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. And it feels so great to hold it in our hands.
For sure. Thanks, Wiley. Thanks to our publisher. This is amazing.
Yeah, special thanks to Wiley for sure. This looks incredible. Hey, Mike, check out the back. I love the gold cover. And look at the quotes. Any that you want to share with listeners?
Sure, I would love to share a quote. There's so many good ones, and this is a lot of praise for the Beekeeper, but I'm going to read this one from Tal Ben-Shahar, who is an author and professor at Harvard University and taught one of the most popular courses over there, the happiness course. And so weaving storytelling and science, Desiderio and Frino provide leaders from all walks of life with sound advice for generating growth, personal, organizational, and societal. This is your wonderful read that can transform your life and environment. So thanks, Tal, for the great quote. We're looking forward to getting this out there and making people happy with it. So I think it's going to contribute.
I agree. Thanks, Tal, and to all of our reviewers and to everyone else who's kind of inspired to get this to be.
Perfect. Take care. Thanks, Katie. Congrats.
Thanks, Mike. You too. Congratulations.